Hey everyone, in this last video here, what we're going to do is we're going to take our laser engraving Adobe Illustrator document, the one we're doing our pencil on here, and we're going to put it in my Dropbox. So the first thing is I just opened it up just to make sure it's exactly the way I wanted it. Last video I went through and talked about just making sure we have our control bar on, making sure we understand what the idea of fill color being the inside, and then also the idea of our stroke color, being the outside, and then our stroke weight being how thick that line is. I don't know if I did it very well. At the same time, the next thing I want to do is make sure that I have it saved in my Google Drive. So I just opened it up. If it was right, I could just download that file to my machine and put it in my Dropbox. At the same time, just to make sure one more time, after you've changed it at all, we want to do a File, Save As. Hopefully you can see your Google Drive over here. We want to select that. We want to make sure we go into your drive, and I think on your drive we went into and made an Illustrator folder, and then there's that file. Making sure I save it. We want to replace it because it already exists there, and then the next thing we want to do is hit OK. Now, going to that Google Drive folder is the next step. So I'm already there, but you want to go to your tab and then go to your drive, go into your folder itself. And the next part I want to do is I want to select this and I want to download it. All right. So I should be able to come down here and double click. It gives me a preview. Up here I see the download feature. I click this, it should set it to the downloads on my machine. We'll find out if it allows you to do that or not. If not, we might have some other things to do to get to our Dropbox. At the same time, I see it down here in my lower bar that's been downloaded. I can just close that out. And then I want to go to my assignment page. In my assignment page, I want to look for my class hour on the bottom here. So if I'm first hour, I'm selecting this. And then you guys will have a little bit more information to put in here as far as I think it says, hey, give us your email, give me whatever it may be. But the most important part, besides all those other things that it asks you for, is adding your file. From your computer, because that's where we already put it. We just downloaded it on there. Over here on the left-hand side, we should see a thing called Downloads. And if you come in here, it should be the last thing or the newest thing on top. I'm not sure how your view looks. Depending if you have lists or whatever it may be, it may look similar to this, but we want to come in here and select that. And then hit open. Open allows you to upload it. And once you upload it, I will see that you have put it into my Dropbox. I will see that I've added a file in a second here. If you have more files to upload, you can do numerous pencils. You can change numerous things. I'm going to say anywhere from up to 5 for right now, just so I don't get too many. But I hope you enjoy the project. Make sure you get turned in as far as in the Dropbox.